What can I start it for you?
The same thing? Or what are we getting?
Just get me a grande,
What can I start it for you?
grande caramel macchiato
A grande caramel macchiato.
No, hot or ice.
Hot
with extra
Perfect.
caramel.
What else?
with extra caramel.
Extra caramel?
And 2 more pumps of vanilla.
With 2 additional pumps of vanilla.
How many pumps?
2.
2 more.
Yeah. Perfect. What else?
What? Is that right?
No.
Like 2 extra pumps of vanilla.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, I got you.
What do you want?
That's it. I don't want anything.
You don't want food?
And what else?
No.
Okay, that's fine.
That's it.
Awesome. I got 580. I'll see you here.
I'm not hungry right now.
Yeah, me neither. It's too damn early for food. We can go to the Tesla dealership, but I think you should get the Model Y because they're giving better price incentive. Let's see if they're open. What color are you gonna get? White? Black? What would you get?
White.
White looks better.
Yeah.
I like the white Teslas.
White or the.
I don't know. Tesla's ride is a little bit rough for me. The regenerative braking, just the ride quality. When you go high speeds on the highway, I feel like the car shakes. I don't know why. I mean, it's good for low speeds, but I don't know.
Did the other ones do that?
No, I don't think so. Maybe it's just this one and like the tires, but we can go check out the Model Y. We haven't done the Model Y yet. That's the last Tesla I haven't reviewed. I think the Model Y is better for price.
I love it.
Camera outside? Yeah, it's nice. There are a lot of Model Ys. See? There's another one. It's like my Camaro. Yeah, it's fast. It's like a V8. Yeah, I'd say get the all-wheel drive. Look, there's another Model Y. Everyone has the Model Y because I think they're more affordable. I think they're the most affordable right now. What time they open? 11?
That was this place.
Oh, Atlanta.
Says they're closed today.
We can still check with Thompson, right? They'll be able to do it. But what happens if you forget to charge it one day? You wake up and you want to go out and
That's
you're at
why-
58%. You
That's
gotta,
why I need the charger.
you gotta. I know. I'm saying, what happens if you forget to charge it overnight? Oh, I guess, yeah. I like the black Model Y.
That's $2,000 more.
Then this, the Model 3.
No,
Oh,
the-
yeah, it's a premium
no,
kit.
the gray. The white is 1,500. The black is 2,000, and the gray.
Extra?
Yes.
That's crazy. And look at that Porsche. That's nice. Porsche design is so classic. It'll never go out of style. That's an older one, but it's still very expensive and really nice. Sad thing is Tesla will beat a Porsche off the line. That Porsche, not the 911 Turbo S, but that Porsche. It still sounds better. It's really not fair how fast Teslas are and how quick they are. It's just not fair, because these engines are so, these like Porsche engines and the Audi R8 engines, like they're all very powerful and quick, but like you just can't beat electric motors because it's instantaneous power. Once you floor it, you're gone. And look, it already reaches the 85 limit. Like, it's crazy. At that point, you're just buying those cars for looks and the sound, because speed, Tesla is the way to go for speed. Realistically, if you want to buy the fastest or quickest car, you got to get a Tesla Plaid. And then you're the king of the roads when it comes to speed. Maybe.
I think the monthly was more too.
Yeah. Probably.
Like 700.
I'm not sure. And I don't know if the tax credits were a thing back then when we got it. I don't know. Alright guys, it's time for me to return the Tesla Model 3. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you're new, subscribe for more and turn on my post notice so you don't miss my future uploads, and comment what car you guys want to see next. I'll see you guys in the next vid.